Yeah, a lot of cleanup left to do after this weekend's storms. Do we have anything like that in our future, Adam?
Nothing as strong as far as the winds, but we do have more rain and wind, and we're going to have to get through it these next few days, especially heading into tomorrow night and Thursday. But then we're left with a beautiful weekend. Sunshine will come out, so we'll get into that in a second. First, let's talk about the rain. That's still going to be around on into the night, as we are noticing a few lighter raindrops even here in Seattle. Good evening. Hopefully you guys had a great Tuesday. Looking at the waterfront, you can see a little bit of a bounce to the camera. Again, we still have some of those higher winds in place, but now we're going to be talking about a good amount of rain on the way in, and possibly some flooding concerns too as we head into more of Thursday, possibly into late Thursday and into early Friday morning. You can see all the areas shaded in green. That's where we have a flood watch that is out starting up at noon on Friday, or noon on Thursday, going through 5 a.m. heading into Friday. And then you go a little farther here and zooming in here to the Skokomish River. That's where we're already seeing some flooding concerns there. So some more rain, additional rain will keep this more in the minor flooding stage, but we do expect it to recede a little bit before more of that rain starts to come back through. So we'll keep an eye on it down there across Mason County, where we picked up 3/4 of an inch of rain here just for today. Closer to 6/10 in Quileute, about 1/4 in Renton, and then about 1/3 in Seattle for today, with those areas farther to the north actually rain shadowed by the Olympics, and probably will be that way too with our next round coming through as we go into the mid and latter part of the work week. 50 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, not a lot of rain falling here in Seattle. Still breezy, 10 to 20, maybe even closer to 21 miles per hour with those winds out of the west and the southwest. Here's the rain situation for us, and you can see the majority of the rain across parts of Central and South Sound, where we're seeing some of the heavier amounts right now. Areas of light rain across parts of Northern Interior and North Sound. Again, nothing really too major with any of this until you get more up into the foothills, where we do have a bit more of that heavier rain. But as you go southward, this is more widespread for us. Getting closer to I-5 through Lacey, Tacoma right now, Lakewood, and then going up closer to I-90, where we're seeing some moderate to steady rainfall there. Out along the coast, where we had some majority of that rain that was around earlier this evening, that's actually beginning to taper off, and then even a few lightning strikes here across Vancouver Island. For us, things too stable to get any of that activity here for the evening. But we'll have this area of clouds. That's your atmospheric river. The highly concentrated amount of moisture in the atmosphere start to direct itself here closer to us, which is going to help to produce some of that heavy rain and strong winds that we're expecting into more of your Thursday. Now for tonight, things quieting down with some of the rainfall. We'll go into the day tomorrow, starting off tomorrow morning with some areas of clouds, but rain chances are going to be extremely small and stay that way throughout the course of the day until we head into more of that 5 to 6 p.m. hour, where we start to see more of this widespread rain coming in with that atmospheric river, which you can see that just continues to pipeline off of the Pacific Ocean. Those yellows and oranges and even some reds, that is some really heavy rainfall that will help to add up to between 2 to 4 inches of rain as we go into early Friday morning for most locations. Parts of North Sound, Northern Interior, again, a little less there with some of the rain shadowing. 53 tomorrow, 61 on Thursday with the heavy rain, but then the weekend and Halloween looking to be dry and sunny.